the whole idea makes sense, that we're taking these and chopping them into thin discs, taking the area, and then adding all those up. Because the area is going to change a little bit, so if we take them and, imagine you make them really, really thin, you make them paper thin, and you know the volume of that little piece, and then you add them all up, you get the total volume.
So how complex does this get? Because this seems pretty easy.
No, have you seen some of the shapes they've been in the
No.
book?
Yeah, don't look.
Okay.
It'll just scare you.
I see.
So this is how they get the equations for like all this stuff.
Yeah. We'll start easy. Today will be easy.
Oh my god.
Today's easy.
That's like they start the chapter with that.
That's just to get the idea.
Okay.
The idea to chop it into thin things. Now we're going to change it up a little bit. Now let's pretend this is actually one of them in your book, so if you want a better drawing. Let's pretend you got like a pyramid with a square base. And here's my x-axis.
Did you start a new video?
Yeah.
That's a,
What is it?
Where is this in our book?
Oh.
Something like that.
I'm gonna fail at this because I can't draw.
Yeah.
And actually it's easier to draw 3D if you tilt your axes. So if you make like X and Y and you slant it. And then you go, I don't know, how would you do that? You would go, guess it doesn't matter. Oops, this one's worse. I don't know, either one of those. Oops, I guess I should have been over on the top. Maybe
Hey, I
that
have a
first one's
question
better.
about that shape. Well, I can't see something
What?
It's kinda like it goes down. Like you know how it goes up a little bit on the left side, up a little amount, and then it goes up further. Well, then it goes up that exact same.
If I actually drew this as a side view, all you would see is that. Oops, put that right down the middle. This is just kind of to give you the idea that it's 3D. Yeah, and then the actual side view, you would just see that.
Yeah.
Same from the top. So this is just to get the idea that it's... So maybe I should just actually draw the side view. So there's the side view. But it's 3D. It's a pyramid with a square base. We're going from 0 to 5.
So whatever the base is what you do the area. Like,
We're going to go from 0 to 3 on this.
As long as the base doesn't change.
And yeah, we'll do ones that change tomorrow. And then I also have to tell you that this is the line. I guess we could do that. How do they word this?
This is
There's a
not a
dog
dog.
inside.
This base right here is 3. We'll call it feet. So as x varies, the base is what it equal. The length of the base is equal to whatever x is. They don't give you the. And some will do. They'll give you the equation of the top line and the bottom line. This one they just tell you that that is a square base that is equal to whatever x is. How are we going to find the volume?
What's the volume equation?
I don't know. Don't need to know it.
use the base.
Yeah, we're going to cut it into discs, right? And if I take one of those and cut it out, and then bring it out and unfold it, and then turn it, what shape is it going to be?
Square.
It's going to be a square.
That's base.
And how do I find the area of a square?
Base of
X squared.
Yeah, whatever this side is squared, right? Well, how long is one of these sides?
Are you sure it's a square?
Yes.
Yeah. Look at the 3D drawing, Nicole.
It's
The
square.
bottom's a square.
If I took a slice out of that, I'd have a square, wouldn't I? And I told you, this length right here is equal to whatever x is, right?
So it's 3 by 3.
So at the bottom it's 3 by 3. At 2 it's 2 by 2. At 1 it's 1 by 1. So what is the length of each side of my square? X. So what is the area of my square? X squared. So go ahead and figure out the volume.